Hiya peeps! I've got another package! Woohoo! I ordered some more gel polishes. I had a look on their website and they have all the MSDS sheets available to download. It's all legit. Well, as far as I can tell, it's all legit. Then they're not going to be well, illegal. I say that in quotes because every cosmetic product, including gel polishes, which is classed as a cosmetic product, need to be registered on the cosmetic portal. So, and they have to be approved and have MSDS sheets, you know, safety regulations, etc. Blah blah blah. So it looks like this company does do that. So anywho, I'm waffling. Let's get on to what I got. As you can see, I've painted this hand with different polishes, obviously, but I'm going to paint this hand with some of these ones, and we'll see how that goes. I had a good selection of polishes to choose from, so I got a lot. Ultra Shine Topcoat. It's not runny. It's not as thick as some other ones, but it's not watery. That's quite a nice consistency. So it's a sort of medium consistency. It's not thick, it's not thin. If that makes sense. This is the rubber base coat. That's lovely and thick. That's what you'd expect from a rubber base coat. Stringy and thick. Lovely. Good for natural nails. This box is never ended. This is crazy. Matte top coat. I always like to try matte top coats whenever I buy gel polish on. See, this one is cloudy. See, they're all different. Every company does them differently. This one is cloudy, like the Neo one. The Neo one's cloudy, but the Premier Gel one is perfectly clear. My camera to focus. There we go. You see, it's cloudy. It's not properly clear. So yeah, that's interesting. I don't know if it's non-white either, so that's another thing I'll have to test. So I will get these all swatched up, and then the next video will be me applying onto this hand. So yes, thank you very much. Stay tuned for the application onto tips, and yes, I'll be back shortly. here are all the swatches. It's a bit awkward to hold them all, but yeah. So we've got all of those ones. Very nice. And then all of these ones. Very pretty. I have top coated them, but just with an old top coat that I've got. I didn't use the Bisou top coat apart from on this one, where I used the Bisou matte on half and the Bisou shiny on the other half, and as you can see, it's very shiny and very matte. It doesn't feel as velvety as the other one, but it is still soft and velvety, if that makes sense. It still feels nice. But you can see the way the matte changed. I showed you a close-up of that already. So yes, there we go. Those are all the colours that I purchased. So come back soon for the next video where I use some of these to paint this hand. And that's it for now, peeps. So take care, and I'll speak to you again soon. Bye.